How to have multiple or different wallpapers on iPhone. Now this is not about adding a dynamic wallpaper, which means it keeps changing every time. This is simply about adding different wallpapers on your iPhone's lock screen and on your iPhone's home screen. So by default, what iOS does is, or what Apple does is, they give you the option to change the wallpaper, but you get the same wallpaper on your lock screen and then you have the same repeating wallpaper on your home screen as well. So what if you want to change that? Because I personally do not like this feature and I just want to have different wallpapers on both my lock screen and home screen. So in that case, what I have to do is, first of all, we'll go to our lock screen and long press on it, and until we go ahead and unlock the editing section, of course. And once you long press on it, it will ask you to verify. So just go ahead and enter your passcode, and now you can see that if we select any of these wallpapers over here, the same wallpaper is also going to be set for our home screen. And if you want to change that, what we have to do is tap on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen. So first select your lock screen wallpaper. Let's say this is the lock screen wallpaper that I want to use, but I want to use a different wallpaper for my home screen. Then in that case, just tap on the plus icon, and here you'll be able to see multiple types of stuff. So just go ahead and choose the one that you want to. So let's say that this is the wallpaper I want to use for my lock screen, right? And once I choose this for my lock screen, tap on the add button. And what this does is that if I tap on the add button, if you set this as a wallpaper pair, it is going to set both to your iPhone's lock screen as well as your home screen. But we don't want to do that. Instead, what we want is, we want a different wallpaper for our home screen. So we'll just select Customize Home Screen. Now once you select Customize Home Screen, you can choose to change the color of this wallpaper, or to set a different wallpaper, you have to upload a wallpaper from your gallery or from your Photos app. So just go to the Photos section, and here you can simply go to nature or any of the places where your actually photos has been stored. Once you select your desired photos, just select them up over here, and as you can see, our photos has been added. So now you have to tap on the done button. Once you tap on done button, you can choose to blur this photo if you want, but if you don't want, then I'll just leave it at that, and I'll tap on the done button. Now if you look, and if I come to my home screen, you can see my lock screen is in one wallpaper, but if I swipe it and then if I show you, my home screen has a different wallpaper. And that is how you can have multiple or different wallpapers on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.